Hi, I'm Jillian Dueck with Remax City Realty. Welcome to the most beautiful place in Canada to call home. Watch my latest tour and call me with any questions.
Want an investment property or an affordable home? 5040 Johnstone Road in Madeira Park could be exactly what you're looking for. It has great bones and is ready for your updates. This 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house sits on a sunny, south-facing lot with a peekaboo ocean view. The top floor living room has laminate floors, a fireplace, and dual sliding glass doors that overlook the backyard. There's also a big eat-in kitchen with 3 appliances and lots of cabinets and counter space. Downstairs are 2 more bedrooms and 2 more patio doors that provide access to the fenced yard. You're a short 3-minute drive from the shops and amenities offered in Madeira Park. Here you'll find a grocery store, a bank, a pharmacy, and a number of restaurants. Madeira Park also has both an elementary school and a high school. If you own a boat, there are a number of marinas in the immediate area, as well as a boat launch. Let's head back to 5040 Johnstone Road and walk through the property. Starting from Johnstone Road, we walk down the driveway to the double carport. A sidewalk delivers us to the front of the house and to the home's main entrance. Moving from the foyer and through the living room, we step out onto the second-level deck and its ocean view. Turning around, we go back inside and get a better look at the living room and its fireplace. An L-shaped eat-in kitchen has 3 appliances, including a dishwasher, and lots of windows that fill the space with natural light. The kitchen leads back to the foyer and a hallway with 3 big closets which provide tons of storage. At the end of the hall is the first of this home's 2 full washrooms. Right next door is the primary bedroom. There's a large closet and another peekaboo ocean view. Returning to the foyer, we this time take the stairs down to the lower level. At the bottom of the stairs is bedroom number 2. There's a backyard-facing window and a closet. Just outside the second bedroom is the washer and dryer, and to our left is a hall that brings us to the storage room / workshop. On our right is the huge 3rd bedroom. There's another fireplace, 2 big closets, and another set of glass doors. They lead to the backyard's covered patio. Concrete steps will take you back to the carport. Back inside, we get a better look at the fireplace before ending our tour in the final 3-piece washroom. Whether you're in the market for a full-time home, a recreation property, or an investment, 5040 Johnstone Road in Madeira Park could be the perfect fit. There's tons of potential in this property, and homes at this price point get a lot of interest. Hurry and call Realtor Jillian Dueck before this one gets snatched up.
For more information on this listing, call or text me anytime at 778-322-0113 or find me online at coastallivingbc.ca.